Have you ever tried to tell a story and said something like, I was walking down the street when? That right there was walking. That's past progressive tense. It's one of those things you probably use without thinking, unless you're learning English. Then it's one of those things that makes you want to scream into a pillow. Today we're breaking it down quickly, clearly, and hopefully without screaming. The past progressive, sometimes called the past continuous, is used to describe actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. And that's important, not just that they happened, but that they were in progress. Ongoing mid-action, interrupted, even. It's formed like this: was or were, plus the verb ending in ing. So, I was walking, you were watching, they were studying. Simple enough, right? It's like zooming in on a moment in time and seeing what was actively happening then. Let's say the time is 7 PM yesterday. At 7 PM I was eating dinner. Not I ate, that's a completed action. Not I have eaten, that's present perfect, and that's a different video. I was eating means I was in the middle of it, fork mid-air, bite incoming. This combo, past progressive with simple past, is one of the most natural ways English speakers tell stories. Because life doesn't happen in perfect, cleanly separated events, things overlap. Happen at the same time, get interrupted. English needs a way to show that, and this is it. Imagine two lines. The long one, that's your was eating. The short one cutting in, that's the phone rang. Simple past cuts into past progressive like a dramatic plot twist. Now here's a common question. Can I just use simple past all the time? Like I ate dinner when the phone rang. Isn't that fine? And yeah, it's grammatically correct, but it feels different. I ate dinner when the phone rang implies that the phone rang at the end of dinner. Like one thing finished, then the other one happened. I was eating dinner when the phone rang. That put you right in the middle of it. It's the difference between watching a summary and being in the scene. It's especially useful when another event interrupts the first one. Like, I was eating dinner when the phone rang. Now you've got two things happening. Ongoing action, dinner. The sudden interruption, the phone ringing. Now we're getting into classic storytelling. So when do we use the past progressive? Here's the cheat sheet. You use it when you're describing an ongoing action in the past. She was driving home. You're setting the scene in the story. It was raining, people were rushing, and the lights were flickering. You're talking about simultaneous actions. I was watching TV while she was cooking. You want to show an action was interrupted. You were playing football when it started to rain. But remember, it's not used for short completed actions. You wouldn't say, I was dropped my phone. That's wrong. You would say, I dropped my phone while I was walking.
Digga, da war die Polizei! Die Polizei ist da vorbeigefahren.
The past progressive sets the background, the atmosphere. The simple past delivers the punch. Together, they build a complete picture. Fertig.